away. And all your money won't another minute by. Dust in the wind. Everything is dust in the wind.
I think I was a little flat.
The wind.
The wind.
Oh,
Oh,
that was really good, huh? Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
yeah.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO. What?
That thing's still playing, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Nummy.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Not a BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
So please welcome Not a BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
Okay, welcome back to the show. Dog and Mainga.
By Michael Lyons. Hello.
BOOZHOO.
1.
Beijig.
1 dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
1 wolf.
Beijig Mainga.
2.
Nij.
2 eagles.
Nij Migazi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Asi Vanang. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jidamug.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Young.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Miigwech.
Thank you. Dog and Maingan.
By Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com. Just some silliness. Just because we can.
Silliness.
I still dream of Ogina. I wake up crying. Your name can wait. And you're just in reach to escape. No. You look too small in that big black house
To be a threat.
But every time it rains, you're here in my head.
head.
Like the sun coming out.
Like your sun's coming out.
Sun, Jesus.
Okay.
Oh, I really like these sunny winter days.
Oh, I know. Me too.
It's so pretty outside. I mean, I know it's cold, but oh,
I know. It's really pretty. It's cold, Gisana, but it's it's a nice day. Mino Gisha good. It's a good day. Mino Gisha good. Let's make that the Ojibwe phrase of the day. Mino Gisha good. It is a good day. Okay. All right. So, how you doing? It's a nice day. Oh, and yeah. I don't know. What do you want from me? I gave you an Ojibwe word of the day. I did my part.
Dum dum da 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 dum ba-dum 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 bum 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 ba-dum 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 bum 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 bum. Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. From a window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there, there is a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around. Ba-dum, 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 bum, 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 bum. Ba-dum, 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 bum, bum, ba-dum.
Here comes the sun. No. Here comes the sun.
And I
I
say,
say
it's alright.
Do. All right, I guess that's enough. Now it's your turn.
And now it's my turn.
All right. Well, hey everyone. Just want to remind you, if you'd like to support the show, you can click on the link and become a Patreon supporter. You can for $5 a month or $10 a month, you can support the show. And if you'd like to order some Ojibwe books by Michael Lyons, just click the link to Amazon. All right. Well, hey, just want to say thank you for watching
BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO.
the podcast about
Ojibwe
Ojibwe
language.
and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Not a BOOZHOO. And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin,
Minawa. Hawa.
Oh,
All right. Okay, so now for some B-roll goofiness.